Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Gemini and activate Google Assistant. So first, you just have to go to your settings or phone settings. You have to scroll down here till you see Google or Google Services. So you have to click Google right here. Once you tap this one, then what you're going to do next is you have to look for all services. So you have to click all services right here. Now, under all services, what you're going to do next is you have to look for search voice assistant, something like that. So you have to look for search assistant and voice rather. So click this one. Now, once you tap this search assistant and voice, you have to look for Google Assistant. Tap this one. Under Google Assistant, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down again and look for a general. So you have to scroll down to the very last, I guess, and look for general. And then here, once you found general, what you're going to do is you just have to simply toggle on. If you see Google Assistant, for example, this one, you just have to toggle this one on, turn this one on in order for you to activate this one. In this way, you have turned off Gemini, and any suggestion here is related to Google Assistant. As easy as that. Now, if in your setting you see turn on Google Assistant, then all you have to do is to turn that one on too. So basically, that's how easy it is to turn off Gemini and activate Google Assistant. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.